Alright, good morning. I haven't done a video in a while because of school. Just wrapped up first semester, so I'm on a little bit of a break. Thought I would check out a new trail, so I'm doing the Oakley Ridge Trail this morning. I have never done this one before, so I always like checking out new things, but I did not bring Charlie today because it's a little on the warm side and it's supposed to be pretty steep, so he's just getting to the age where a combination of warm and steep does not do well for him, and I wanted to make sure I could do the whole loop. I have been warned that there is bear activity in the area, so I've got my scat belt on just in case we see some activity, but it's a beautiful blue sky day, so here we go. finished the loop. Total trail stats were 6 miles and almost 1,800 feet elevation gain. Took me about 2.5 hours. You will see on my trail guide linked below on the map, I took a wrong turn, so that probably added on maybe 0.2 of a mile, not that much. I realized it pretty quick. It was a really fun loop. I think I would do this counterclockwise next time. I think it would be more runnable for me to go run down the switchbacks and do that last, but it was super pretty and I would definitely come back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.